Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are playing duos with Waffle Lord. And in today's video, well, yeah, I just said what we're doing. um, yeah. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're just getting into the lobby match. So yeah. If this video is up, it's either because we won or we did something really cool. Alright, E. We're not using our mics. I have them called up on Discord right now. If you look in the corner of the screens next to our name tags, you'll see the two of our icons. If you want, you can add me. No, you don't have to. Yeah, you can add him too, I guess. No. Yeah, mine is something, but I don't remember. Anyway, shout out whoever comments first on this video. You'll get a shout out. Oh my gosh. Get away. This is my place. Huh? I'm uploading it on my dad's channel. That's why you don't see it too well on my channel. I'm gonna eliminate this dude. I don't like bony burbs. It's basically Tilt Towers except bony burbs. Oh no. People are attacking. Alert. Please be the chest here. If there's not the chest here. No way. So you know the bunker chests? You're kidding. Oh, I found a purple rocket launcher. You're kidding. Are you kidding? I hear gunshots right outside. So, if you would mind coming to help, greatly appreciated. Oh my gosh, what is happening to my Fortnite? Oh my gosh, what? What keeps happening? Oh, I keep glitching out. Oh, I'm so low. Oh no! Help me! 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 I'm at 78 health and I'm about to die. I knew I should have used my rocket launcher with 3 ammo. Just help me! If I die, don't take my stuff. I worked hard to get this. Especially not my rocket launcher. I want my rocket launcher. Oh great, now this guy's gonna take it. You're kidding. Well, so much for trying to play the game. Oh, by the way, there's a guy next to you. I told you. Egg launchers are bad. Quickly! Go, 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 go! Quickly! And don't grab my rocket launcher. It's all mine. I worked for it. I found it first. Oh my gosh. No, don't pick up my rocket. No, don't pick up my rocket launcher. Nowhere. Just go reboot me. Come on, just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. We can do this. We can win, right? Stop. Just go. You're already like 2,000 meters away. And now we're gonna die. So much for my rocket launcher. I bet someone's gonna take it. And all my stuff. Yeah. By the way, my rocket launcher was hidden. It went down the stream. And it's probably in Slurpee by now. Oh no, I have to go all the way back for my stuff, don't I? No, I'm not gonna go back for it. Come on. What are you doing? You deserve it. What? I have a revolver. A gray one. I'm gonna eliminate this dude. Poopy pants! Poopy pants! How did he not die? Don't you see what I'm hitting him for? He's hacking. He's hacking. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Ah! I call the gun. Can I tell you something? The storm's right behind us. So much for trying to win. I guess we're gonna lose. Oh yeah, that storm and that circle's so far away. Only if we had a good getaway driver that would actually help us. Oh wait, we do. Get in. No. You're gonna kill us. See, I'm great at driving. But I'm also about to die. You're on your own. Oh! No! Froggy Woggy! I can't believe I ran over him. Well, so much for Froggy Woggy. Yeah, I'm coming back for you. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. If I did, I'm not giving it away! No, not really. I don't have a shotgun. I don't have shotgun. And I never spawn with one. I don't even have shotgun ammo. Wait up, I found a slurp fish. Mine. What did I catch? Flubber. Flubber. What? You have more health than I do. What do you mean? I was playing duos with one of my friends that are really bad at the game, and I took down like 5 duos with a makeshift shotgun that was green. 5 duos. Anyways, here's your stop. We're out of fuel. Fishy on me. I don't got the place with a fishy on me. Fishy, 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 and the fishy to be. I don't got the place with the fishy. Oh no! Hey, I was the radio, and then someone started shooting. I don't got the place with the fishy on me. I don't got the place with the fishy. Yeah, what if Tico did? Tico, if you're watching this, but you're probably not, because I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Go subscribe to my other channel, first of all, and please add me on Discord. And Dream, if you're watching this, add Waffle Lord on Discord. Whoop! Fill us up. Otherwise, you'll take my car. But okay. Hey, look! It's golden. I'm not kidding. Look. If I take it, look, it's golden. Oh no, there's more cars coming. Alright, time to go. Bye! Hey! Just get in. I'm just getting out of the storm. Ah! That was nothing. Things keep popping up. Alright, get in. I'm leaving you. There's a raptor? Let's tame it. Yes. No. What if it figures out I'm a person? Then it'll kill me. And then I'll die. Slurp truck! Slurp truck! I'm breaking it. Yes, I'm at full health. Alright, now time to leave you behind. If you run me over, I will be so mad. Too late. Too late. I need to stop at the gas station. Probably you do too. Come on. Gas station. Oh! I'm such a drift driver. I need to fuel up the getaway car for when you die. I found a better getaway car. It's even nicer. Oh, I found someone that's dead. Oh, that's such good loot. A rocket launcher again? A rocket launcher?